4Runner. Let's check it out.
Jaden, say hi.
What's going on?
Are you ready to get a car?
No, but I'm ready for the build. That's the most important part. It's also the fact that we finally have something to tow all your ass.
You know, I never had to call it.
I feel like I'm catching a stray with that one.
Maybe more for you than me.
Yeah, that was disrespectful. I didn't even hold you.
Be on the way back, not there.
Most definitely on the way back.
All right, you ready?
All right,
Yeah,
let's go.
do it. You want to lead this time?
We're on the way.
All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an interesting day because we're doing something we don't normally do. We're picking up a new car, no kilometers on it, so it's an exciting day. Are they behind us? How did they get behind us? What?
They not fast as boy.
What?
Let me. My big forehead's in the way. Regardless, we gonna be there soon.
There.
He's back there soon. Like, you know, always go like this. Yeah, he's back there. Yeah, that motherfucker. Yeah. He's getting a new car. We're proud of the kid. We are very proud of the kid. That's great. Yep, Robin. Do you see the smile on this kid's face? Oh, look at this.
Oh, professional.
I'm gonna let y'all know something real quick. Yo, this is gonna stay in between us, okay? He is no longer gonna be able to do that, and he shouldn't do that. When he goes to pull into a spot and he takes off the entire side of another vehicle, just know I told you so.
I see that. She's over there. Guys, it's not even mine.
We all got excited over a car that's not even yours.
Important day for Drew to reality.
No, this is your day. Brendan's not even here, so.
I know, look at him.
This guy didn't want to take time off? That's
I know, what is he doing? He should have been here. So we just signed all the papers. They're getting the car ready for us to bring out and check out. We didn't even test drive this, and we just signed the papers. We already committed this far with everything that we got, so there's gonna be a lot of things done to this car.
Still kills me that we were looking at the wrong car and we were all excited about that. I was about to do a whole cinematic on that.
Nah, I looked at it, I'm like, I don't think this is the right car, but let me check the VIN. And then I remembered there was a whole badge missing.
It's here. Damn. this. That CarPlay is nice.
Alright, I've never driven this car before, so.
I forgot how heavy your foot is. I should probably wear this.
Yeah, guys, seatbelt on.
You ready?
No, sir. I'm not ready.
Just want to be sure. Can you imagine?
Wish me luck. Go on.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
God damn.
Take it easy.
I can hear the body roll already. Holy
Don't
fuck.
floor it. You gotta let it.
People there!
Come on,
People
come on,
there!
yes.
People there! People there, relax.
Chill.
Jesus Christ. That's not a ramp, okay? That is not a ramp.
I know that isn't. Here, hold on.
I mean, I would assume a lot. Considering the change in vehicle size. Oh yeah, one more. What is that place here?
You can do the workers.
So we can't go a day without modifying the car, even if it's brand
So
new.
light bracket goes.
So right now, because this hood for some reason doesn't come with shocks, we have to install them and buy them aftermarket because look how massive this is and they don't include it. But what they do include is pre-drilled holes for it. So now the issue though is that while we are installing the struts, this bolt here isn't exactly long enough when we install the bracket for the auxiliary lighting later. To remove this.
Bolt number 1.
There's a difference because that one has tab, this one doesn't.
Got it.
Pretty much, we're just installing the bracket on the sides of the car, both sides. And then we're gonna be taking out this one bolt up here, and we're gonna be putting the other bracket, which would be these guys, up there. And should allow us to get these struts on there. Got it. So if you do have a hybrid, you could just reuse this bolt here. And then on the driver's side, there will be the bolt that goes through the bracket for the ABS module. So this is where you would put that other bracket for the driver's side. Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's so much better.
So that's your first mod?
Oh yeah, I'm so glad I finally did what they should have done.
Of course, next on the list, we got the leveling kit ready to go as well, because we recorded the wheels that we're putting on this thing, which will be really nice to see. We got all this hardware with it, and of course the instructions, which we're not going to read. It'll be a little bit of a tease. Yes. Yes.
Hello.
I know we already showed these getting mounted and balanced, but man, they look so good with the color of this thing.
Tell there is a lot of smudge marks, but we're also installing it on the dash here. We've got the soap here. We're gonna clean it up first, and then we'll get it nice and soapy.
Nice and soapy.
Alright, I'm gonna wipe this down. And all y'all's grimy ass.
Full support. You're doing great.
Thanks, Dad.
This is wet your finger, because you don't want a fingerprint on it. Screws not even working.
Oh,
there it
oh,
is.
oh.
It's like stuck down already.
Other one. See, this is cool. We got that tray for this.
I'm not gonna look. It's just one hand though. Yeah, I don't wanna. Ah! This is my first time, guys. This is my first.
Keep playing with it. It might get up further.
Have you seen? Have you seen?
So we're taking off the air dam. Couple bolts.
So there's about 6 in the front and then 2 behind the wheel here. Air down, delete.
Got the car in the air. Now we're taking the wheels off.
Is there even 100 kilometers on it yet?
There's gotta be. You went to work.
186 kilometers.
So it's got delivery miles on it too. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is gonna be so easy.
These shocks are nice. God damn, I think you need new brakes already. Did you even put 100 kilometers on this?
Whoops. Man, it's just scratching everything.
So as per instructions, they want this out, they want this out, they want the axle nut out, they want the end link out, they want everything out. We're not going to do that.
I'll play those games.
All right, so right now we're doing the leveling kit on the shocks here.
We'll start with doing the least, and if we can get away with doing the least, then we're good. Oh, that shot. 214 mils at the top. 122 at the bottom.
22
And
at
it
the
says
bottom.
out. Just so anybody wants to know, that's why you have to reclock this. Okay, what's the orientation here? I'm pretty sure it's this way. Watch. Getting them all lined up, you know, trying. Just like that. As we tighten it, they'll tighten up too. You got it out. Just gotta clock it a little bit this way. This needs to line up with that.
We tightened down the spacer here, which was a 15 mil. Now we gotta compress the springs safely.
There you go, clocked.
So we're just taking the end link out. So the way we're doing it is we're just taking the bolt out here, which is a 22 mil. This nut is welded to the actual arm. And that'll give us some more room to get that shock in there. Looks like we're gonna have to loosen that
Do you wanna
control
put the,
arm. So that'll be a 19 to get that nut off, just so that we can get this hub loose from the control arm. So that way we can get this shock where it needs to go.
Now you know.
I'm gonna slowly drop this.
Alright, the truck's gonna move because it needs more load. Until we start to put more, which we are. Slowly doing it. Were you stressing that?
We got these two 12 mils out. See the other one to give us more play. We didn't want to put any excess tension on the brake lines. And on this side, they took out the clips just in case. So those are back in. 12 mils are back in. Got the strut in as well. We're gonna do the outer tie rod shortly. Sheesh, look at them nuts. Okay.
You got it? Or you want me to do it?
You do it. Something like that.
I can handle more than one nut at a time.
This is a wild angle.
All hands on deck.
Yeah, everybody grab a nut.
Yeah, no, that's more than enough.
Keep going. Wait, hold it.
That looks mint to me.
Oh, you're good. Keep going.
So after 26 hours, we redid the entire car here. New wheels, new tires, a leveling kit in the front. We also adjusted the hood and also did some interior mods, all within 26 hours, let alone maybe just 5. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we did it finally.
Someone's happy. Someone's filming now. Now that's all said and done. One day after you got the car from the dealership.
Not even, it's been like 26 hours.
That's insane. We already leveled it, put the wheels on. So what are your thoughts? I need to hear your thoughts now. After all the wait, finally get in the car.
I'm more interested to see how it handles when we're working. So I'm really excited to actually mount it for any kind of rigs that we're going to be running, and also running right in the back because the window just comes down and we could just do what we want.
So how do people find your work?
Jaden.lm
Jaden.lm.
and Driven to Reality. What are you talking about?
Driven to Reality.
Now we just need the DTR sticker and we're good.
We should probably start printing those. Looks so good, just right here.